just arrived in Las Vegas, and this is my first time ever stepping into 106-degree heat, so this heat just like slaps you in the face. I've never felt something quite like this before. Hey, how's it going? Check out our sweet ride for the week. Oh my gosh.
Hilarious. This thing is hilarious.
We're supposed to get like a Toyota. We got this.
It looks like we're delivering packages in this thing.
This is indoors. So our main reason for coming to Vegas is not really to hang out much in Vegas. It's mostly to see like all the cool like recreational parks and like the Grand Canyon, the Hoover Dam, stuff like that. Also, just a note, if someone ever tries to hand you something in Vegas, just kind of put your head down, shake your head, just keep on walking. We are hanging out in Fire Valley. There's all these like cool rock formations like everywhere, just all around us. And we're gonna start climbing on these things and hopefully not die. So that'd make for a good day.
As he finagles his way down.
It's gotta be very ginger. I'm getting owned by a 16-year-old girl right now. She's literally walking up that thing.
Okay, I'm going down.
She literally just sees stairs.
He took 10 freaking minutes. Well, I just took like 2, not even 2, maybe like a minute.
Is that 1 3/4 mile or just 3/4 mile?
I don't know. They might have moved it. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. So we found like this like really secluded area, and like look over here. The sky is just like a ridiculous blue, and it's just so beautiful. And there's like this little rock right here that's like barely balanced there. We can't find this trail that we came to see, but it was like a 2-hour walk anyway, so I think we're good. I mean, this area is so beautiful, it's kind of hard to care though. Leslie took a tumble.
I took a bit of a tumble. Ty's was right. We could have died.
Yeah,
It was so funny. It was funny watching,
What'd
but
you
now,
do, Stacey?
okay,
Show
that's
us.
what she did. She was like,
Maybe if you do it a couple more times, you'll hurt yourself.
yeah,
too.
I already hurt myself right then and there.
We'll just have to put you down, Leslie. We had a good run though, you know? Just know I love you so much.
Just leave me here to die.
Okay, bye. Tattoine, yeah.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the top, now we're here. Started from the top, now our whole team.
Here.
Leslie's okay, she's resting. You okay, Leslie? You're okay, right?
I'm dying. I'm dead.
Me too.
So today we are checking out the Hoover Dam, and the views here are just unbelievable. Also, you get to have some fun with dam jokes. Hey, you two, get out of the damn road. You like the damn fan, Leslie?
Ty's better watch your mouth.
Leslie, can I have this damn? Leslie, you gotta see this damn view.
Oh my god.
Damn! What? There's a name over there. So if you look where there's like that line, there's like white rock at the bottom and red rock at the top. That's where the dam used to be filled up. I don't know if the view does it justice, but that is significantly higher than what it is right now. So we are now on top of this bridge, and we're just overlooking the amazing view that is the Hoover Dam. It's just incredible. So while we are in the area, I gotta hit up the In and Out. Okay, so I just got my In and Out, and I got a couple items on the secret menu. So check this sucker out. This is the 3x3. That is 3 beef patties with 3 pieces of cheese. And I'm lactose intolerant, don't care. But this is the perfect amount of meat to cheese ratio. Oh, that's really good. Close up on Stacy. And then this is called the Flying Dutchman. 2 beef patties, 1 piece of cheese in the middle. You want to bite?
No, you go ahead. Okay.
That's really good. That's really good.
I want to try. Want to try?
Get really close, Stacy.
There's a fly on
There's a
here.
fly on your nose.